Hey everyone, and welcome back to another review video. In this one, I'll be talking about Gusto, which is a well-known payroll service provider that offers a wide range of features and services to businesses of all sizes, especially small businesses, to help them manage payroll, benefits, and HR tasks more successfully and efficiently. Gusto now offers a variety of features and services such as online payroll processing, time tracking, and benefits administration that can make payroll processing simpler and more effective. In order to give you a better understanding of how Gusto operates, I'll be talking about its pricing, what kind of drawbacks you need to be aware of, my personal experience with Gusto, and whether it's a good fit for small businesses. I'll be going into detail about Gusto's key features and services, including how they can help you manage your payroll better. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point you find yourself interested in trying out Gusto, you'll find links in the description down below, and if I do find any discounts, I'll make sure to include them down there as well. Now, Gusto is a popular payroll service provider that was founded in 2011. It's quickly gained a reputation as a reliable and user-friendly payroll service that serves a wide range of businesses, from small startups to larger enterprises. Gusto's mission is to make payroll, benefits, and HR tasks easier for businesses by offering a simple, intuitive platform that can handle all of these tasks in one place. Gusto's platform is tailored to cater to the requirements of businesses across various scales, ranging from fledgling startups to well-established corporations. It caters to a wide array of industries such as healthcare, hospitality, technology, and professional services. Additionally, Gusto's platform can be adapted to suit the individual requirements of businesses, regardless of whether they have a single employee or 1,000 employees. As a small business owner myself, I've been using Gusto for more than 2 years, and my experience with it has been really positive. Now, one of Gusto's key features is its online payroll processing, which allows you to easily manage your payroll from anywhere with an internet connection. This includes the ability to run payroll on a schedule that works for your business, as well as the option to pay employees via direct deposit or paper checks. Gusto's platform also helps ensure accuracy and compliance with tax laws and regulations, which reduces the risk of costly mistakes. Another important feature of Gusto is its time tracking capabilities. You can track your employees' hours using Gusto's online time tracking tool, which integrates seamlessly with their payroll system. This makes it easy to ensure that employees are accurately paid for their work and helps you to avoid compliance issues related to wage and hour laws. And finally, Gusto offers comprehensive benefits administration services, including health insurance, retirement plans, and other employee benefits, which helps you attract and retain top talent by offering competitive benefits packages that are easy to manage and administer. Now, payroll processing is a critical function for any business, but it can be time-consuming and complex. But Gusto's payroll process service is designed to simplify the process and save businesses time and money, which is the main reason that I chose to use Gusto for my business, as its payroll processing is really simple and helps me save time and lots of money. Now, Gusto's time tracking feature is a great tool for businesses to accurately track their employees' hours. This feature allows employees to log their hours worked on a daily basis, and employers can easily review and approve these hours before processing payroll. This helps to ensure that employees are paid accurately and on time, and also helps to prevent errors or discrepancies in the payroll process. Additionally, the time tracking feature integrates seamlessly with Gusto's payroll processing system. Once hours are approved, they can be automatically added to the payroll and factored into the employee's paycheck, which simplifies the entire payroll process for businesses, as there's no need for manual calculations or any manual data entry. Now, Gusto allows you to choose your own payroll schedule. It can be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or at any other frequency that works best for your business. Employees can be paid by direct deposit or by check, and you can choose whether to print the checks yourself or to have Gusto handle the printing and mailing for you. This flexibility makes it really easy for businesses to choose the payment option that works best for them and their employees. Additionally, accuracy and compliance with tax laws and regulations are crucial when it comes to payroll processing, and Gusto takes this responsibility seriously. Gusto uses advanced technology and automation to ensure that payroll is processed accurately and in compliance with all tax laws and regulations. They also handle all the necessary tax filings and payments, including federal, state, and local taxes. Additionally, Gusto offers you detailed payroll reports, making it easy to track payroll expenses and ensure compliance with labor laws. Now, the only issue that I have with filing taxes myself is that I don't have the time to do it. So I chose to rely on Gusto, and they do an excellent job, and I've seen no problems at all. Now, Gusto charges a base fee per month plus an additional fee per employee. The base fee includes access to Gusto's full suite of services such as payroll processing, time tracking, and benefits administration. One thing I really appreciate about Gusto is their transparent pricing. They don't have any hidden fees or surprises, and their pricing is really easy to understand. However, I did manage to find some discount links, and I did drop those links down in the description below to help you save a little bit of extra money. Now, Gusto offers not only payroll processing and time tracking services, but also comprehensive employee benefits administration that enables businesses to offer competitive benefits packages, attracting and retaining top talent. With Gusto, managing employee benefits, including health insurance, 401k retirement plans, and other benefits packages is really easy. You can easily establish and manage benefits, add or remove employees from plans, and complete all the necessary paperwork, making Gusto a great way to attract and, most importantly, retain top talent. Additionally, Gusto can handle all the administrative tasks associated with benefits, like enrollment, plan setup, and ongoing maintenance, making it really easy for businesses. Gusto's user-friendly platform enables employees to access their benefits information and manage their benefits elections online, saving time and reducing administrative work for the HR department. Now, when it comes to their customer support, Gusto has a variety of options available. They offer phone and email support during business hours, as well as a help center with articles and FAQs to help answer commonly asked questions. Gusto also has a community forum where customers can connect with each other and share tips and advice. While Gusto offers many benefits and features for businesses, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. One of the main drawbacks is that Gusto may not be suitable for larger businesses with more complex payroll needs. While Gusto can handle payroll processing for businesses of all sizes, it may not be the best fit for businesses with more than 100 employees or with multiple locations. However, it's great for small businesses. Also, Gusto does offer some integrations with other software and tools, but it may not integrate with all the tools that a business uses, which can make it more difficult to streamline processes and workflows. Another potential drawback is the lack of customizability in certain areas, such as time tracking and benefits administration. While Gusto offers a range of features in these areas, some businesses may prefer more flexibility to tailor these features to their specific needs. Now, who would I recommend Gusto to? Well, if you have a small business looking for an easy to use and affordable option, Gusto is the best payroll and HR solution for you. It's very beneficial to streamline payroll processes, manage employee benefits, and keep track of time and attendance. Gusto is also a good fit for businesses with excellent customer support and want to ensure compliance with tax laws and regulations. So all in all, Gusto is a highly reputable and user-friendly payroll service provider that offers a range of features and services, including online payroll processing, time tracking, and employee benefits administration. Despite some drawbacks, their pricing model is transparent and affordable, and their customer support options are comprehensive, making it a top choice for your business. And so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, feel free to leave a like. Of course, let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and subscribe because I've got a lot more reviews on the way. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.